What is up, guys? So today we're doing another ETB unboxing, and it's going to be the Battle Styles set in the red variety. There is of course also a blue one. That one for some reason seems to be a lot harder to get than the red one, but I'd rather honestly have the red one since that's actually my favorite color. By the way, I do have to give a big shout out to my brother Gio. He is the one who acquired this ETB. He is the reason that we are here with the rusty, trusty razor blade unboxing this ETB right here. Now, I do have a chase card for this. You know, since I knew he existed, I have been chasing the Sleepy Boy. You guys know who it is. That gentleman right there. Now, usually I'm not actually chasing much of the big, you know, chase cards. When Charizard was the big chase, personally, you know, I wasn't after him. This one though, this one we need. We gotta have Sleepy Boy. And the sleeves, pretty great looking sleeves. Again, red's my favorite color, so that's gonna work great for me. Code hunters, the red dividers, dice, damage counters. Again, the red just looks awesome on that. And of course, we got our booster packs. 1, 2, 8. 8 booster packs that we're opening today. Again, we're chasing Sleepy Boy, but also, since my brother acquired this get today, I did also promise him an Entei Holo. I have already pulled an Entei Holo myself, and personally I believe that everyone needs to have that Entei Holo in their collection. It looks so BA. And of course, I mean, Entei is just on my top 5 favorite Pokemon, so you gotta have it, and so does he. So I promised him, I said, we're pulling it here today. It is happening. So I've already promised Entei. Now, of course, we're gonna get Sleepy Boy. All right, again, you guys know, let's not waste any time. Get into these and let's pull, like I said, man, Entei. You know, another Pokemon I actually haven't pulled out of this is, that I actually really would like, is a Steelix. So, code card. Yeah, Steelix would be, yeah, 4. Almost kind of forgetting. I haven't pulled some cards. Let me zoom in. Haven't pulled some cards in a little bit here. I got some stuff coming, but you know, nothing yet. Horsey, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the Steelix in this set. The Holo Steelix, reverse Holo Steelix. I mean, speak of it, man. I was just talking about you, man. Good of you to show up. Yeah, this Steelix is sick. There's a holo version. Now we pulled the reverse holo version, so woo, there you go, bro. Look at that. VMAX just to get us started, just as the appetizer. It's almost a tease of what's to come. Entei, I feel like that one is that we're able to get that. I mean, that dream is not too far-fetched. Ha ha ha. Pun. Anyway. Code card. Yeah, I feel like that's not a crazy thing to dream to get the, but I guess I am also, I don't know, that Steelix is cool. I haven't even pulled a reverse holo Steelix, so this Morpeko, I guess he changes types because he's an electric type, but I guess he changes to dark type when he's hungry. So this one here, it's a little bit hungry. Let's see here. Yeah, and I mean, at least being able to pull a Steelix reverse was pretty cool. Or Beetle reverse, those are sick. And a holo Sandaconda. Hey, it's a holo. That's all right. I've also thankfully been able to pull the Houndoom holo. That one looked cool. Just when I first found out what was in the set, code card, when I found out what was in the set, those are some of the cards that I was hoping to pull, is Houndoom, Entei. I mean, I saw Steelix. Steelix looks great. There's a Kingdra that looks great. Electabuzz. I was actually able to pull a reverse holo, I don't know if you guys know, maybe you don't if it's the first time watching, but I collect Electabuzzes. So pulling, not having to buy a reverse holo of it, was a big win for me. Reverse is Salazzle and Drampa on the back. All right, get into another one of these. Code card. It's funny, my brother, you know, the guy that we have to thank for today's video, he was asking me, you know, when you pull cards by yourself, you know, not doing it for video or not doing it, you know, on camera or anything, do you do the card trick? Funny enough, reverse Bisharp and Galarian Mr. Rime. Funny enough, I do, actually. I do the card trick even when I'm alone. I don't know, it's almost kind of like a game, like you build suspense for yourself, which I think is still cool. You know, it's not a terrible thing to do, is you know, make it fun for yourself as well. Code card, you know, it's kind of part of the fun of pulling. You don't know what you're gonna get, so yeah, doing the card trick by yourself, it's still kind of cool. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I might not be. Let me know in your comments if you're pulling packs alone, not with anyone else. Literally, it's just you. Reverse camping gear. If it's just you by yourself, do you do the card trick? Just you open up just a random, nothing special. Like let's say you get Battle Styles. You know, it's a modern set. Maybe you know, potentially you got it at retail. Nothing's crazy. Do you do the card trick, or is that kind of silly? I mean, I think I've seen like Pokerev videos. The amount of packs that guy's opening, yeah, it kind of makes sense that not to do the card trick, or he'd be. I mean, and his streams are long enough already. Ooh, reverse holo Mankey, that's a sick one. And Victory Bill. Yeah, the amount of packs that guy's opening, yeah, it makes sense that he would not do a card trick, be there all week. I mean, some of those pack openings take quite a while, so it'd be insane to try to do an opening that way. The card trick and everything. But you know, what was it, eight packs we had today? 8 packs? Yeah, we could do a card trick. Reverse Scroll of Swirls, rapid with the little Rapid Strike stamp, and this thing here also with the Rapid Strike stamp. I think those things are cool, the stamps. Uh-oh. Last pack magic. Last pack magic. Yeah, the Rapid Strike and Single Strike, I know they're more so for if you're, you know, playing the card game, it means more for that, but any card that looks a little bit different than just kind of the norm, I think is dope. Basically, any card that has a stamp. I mean, that's why I like the Black Star promo cards a lot. Like right now, I'm really digging those. First edition, obviously, and who doesn't like a first edition? But I mean, it's a little different than the norm. Sometimes Electabuzz, sometimes certain decks have, ooh, our reverse is a Grumpig. I'll finish my thought here after this. Oh, Aegislash, not a bad hit, not a bad one, but we also didn't pull that Entei. I promised the Entei. I mean, I was very sure we were gonna get it, so I did promise it to my brother. But we are not done, and I might have another chance because we're also opening a Lunchbox, again, courtesy of my brother Gio, so shout out again. I'm telling you guys, he's the reason this video is possible. And I got the trusty dusty razor blade again. Let's go ahead and break into our Lunchbox. And let's go at another shot here at our Sleepy Boy, at the Entei that I promised my brother. If I don't pull it, gonna have to purchase it. I mean, he's gonna have an Entei. that has already been promised, so can't take that away from them. This setup right here, kind of neat. Look at that. Giant coins. Not, I don't think in the perspective places, but one to represent a different thing, right? The rapid strike and the single strike. That's cool. A little bigger than the usual coins are. I guess I'll flip this. It's upside down. And it comes with two, I mean, I guess kind of promo cards, or I guess exclusive to this lunch tin. They are hollows. I mean, they are of the set, but you know, the set obviously it doesn't come with the hollow version of these, but it doesn't have the Black Star promo or anything like that. So I guess you just got to know that these cards came, you know, in the lunch tin because they're hollow versions of them, and I guess you can't pool a hollow version of it. So it'd be cool if they did that. I don't know why they wouldn't. I mean, that seems promo enough. Let's see what else we got here. All right, some packs. And the packs they got us working with today here is one Battle Styles Sun and Moon, Battle Styles Vivid Voltage, and Sword and Shield base. Cool. Okay, so two Battle Styles is two chances to pull our Sleepy Boy and our Entei. Vivid Voltage is cool. That's a cool get. And then there's Sun and Moon and Sword and Shield base. You also get, looks like some stickers. Yeah, some cool stickers there. Okay, a couple of cool stickers. Notepad. Oh, and a little tiny kind of binder, you know, for cards, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's got the clear. All right, very cool, but let's get into the packs. We're gonna start with our Sun and Moon base. Kind of don't remember what's all in this set. I think there's some GX cards, and I definitely don't remember, there's that. Definitely don't remember, I think it's 4. I think it is 4 too. I'm not sure, yeah, 4. I think there's some pretty decent cards in here if I remember right. I mean, you know, and if we're lucky enough to pull anything decent, we'll see. That's kind of cool. I think I've seen that one before. Oh, Metapod Reverse and the bear. That'll kill you with a hug. All right, Sword and Shield base. Again, some pretty cool cards if you can pull them out of this set as well. We'll see what our luck's feeling like today. I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling today. I was starting to feel lucky in the beginning of the video, but not pulling an Entei, which I really felt like I could pull, that one shot at my ego a little bit for sure. But hey, I got another 2 chances to pull the Entei, and I don't know, man. That Sleepy Boy is just feeling further and further away. Silly Cobra Reverse and Cramorant. Vivid Voltage. It's such a cool set to open, I think. So that's kind of cool that it comes with this. I mean, I kind of wish it would have came with more Vivid Voltage, but they probably have a ton of bulk on Sword and Shield base and Sun and Moon base that they need to work through. So that's why we get what we get. I think this is still 4 here. All right, now out of those green codes, if I remember right, I can still pull an amazing rare on this set. So I'm pretty sure that's kind of the deal there. So I still got high hopes here that this this booster pack, well, it's not gonna be an amazing rare because it's a reverse Chuckle instead. So have at that and this guy there. All right. Yeah, if you could tell, the luck, man, I was feeling good. I was feeling good. Maybe this pack, maybe these packs are gonna change the way I feel, you know, make me feel a little bit better about my luck, but maybe not, because green code cards are crazy right now. Oh boy. Yeah, telling you guys, I was pretty high on the mountain when I started this, but even before I started this, I said, you know what? Feeling it. I got the touch, feeling the touch. We're gonna go for it. But yeah, no, I'm gonna have to, reverse Embor. I would have taken a reverse Entei as well. I mean, I would have taken that as a win the way things are looking right now, but reverse Embor, I mean, my brother collects full sets, so he probably is digging that as well. Last pack, we need real last pack magic. I know everyone says that, we all say that, but it's not looking good so far. My God, okay. Reverse. All right, that's what I'm gonna hope for. I got a reverse Steelix, I've never pulled that. If we pull reverse Kingdra, I've never pulled the Kingdra, so that's still cool. If we pull a reverse Entei, then technically I've kept my word, because I told him he's gonna have an Entei. I didn't necessarily specify that it was gonna be a holo or reverse holo. But I don't think this is gonna, yeah. Got a lot of cards. I saw a ton of cards that I hadn't seen from this set. Just like I said, the very few packs that I've opened from Battle Styles, I've somehow managed to get most of the cards that I wanted or needed, except for those choice few ones. Now I'm in the marketplace to buy some Entei cards. I'm still hunting that sleepy frickin' Tyranitar. That one's one you gotta pull, and I will pull that sleepy Tyranitar. Again, shout out to my brother Gio for making this video happen, and again, look for an Entei in your mailbox coming very soon. And as always guys, this is Carlos with Tech V.8, and I am out.